Best Lenovo Laptops of 2024. Lenovo is one of the top laptop manufacturing brands, having a consistent market presence. The brand offers one of the best business-focused ThinkPads to the best 2-in-1 laptops and gaming-centric Legion laptops. If you're looking to buy a new Lenovo laptop, as there's many great options to choose from, it makes it tough to select the right one. There are high-end devices, mid-range models, and expensive as well as low-cost laptops. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of the best Lenovo laptops that can help you select the option that suits your needs. Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8. The Lenovo Yoga 9i Gen 8 features a stunning 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen display powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 1360p processor. It offers up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It also features a stunning 2-in-1 OLED touchscreen, a great soundbar, and a stylus, all in a slim and lightweight package weighing just 3.09 pounds at the price of $1,147.99. Lenovo Slim 7. The Lenovo Slim 7 is the best business laptop option as it gives a 14-inch OLED touchscreen and a long-lasting battery life of 10+ hours. It offers up to 32GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage and is available for $1,000 at stores. Lenovo Chromebook Duet 3. The Lenovo Chromebook Duet 3 is a great value for being a low-cost yet well-built Chrome tablet. It offers an 11-inch screen, 4 to 8GB of RAM, and 64 to 128GB of storage. Moreover, the detachable keyboard cover is good enough for writing emails or short assignments. This Chromebook is available only at $284.99.